Hi, and welcome to Komori America. I'm Lance Martin, and today I really want to introduce you to a newest member of our showroom team, Bert Rodriguez. Bert joined the company some time ago, but he's just been promoted to our showroom director at KGC America. That stands for our Komori Graphic Center. So Bert, welcome.
Thank you, Lance.
It's good to get off the road maybe a little bit. How about telling everybody just a little bit about yourself and what you were doing before this?
So before this, I was a field demonstrator out in the field doing installs, and I'm part of an incredible situation right now with everything that's going on at the Komori Graphic Center.
So as a demonstrator, you were out in the field working with our customer base, teaching them how to run the press, setting things up and getting ready to go. How does that transfer to what you're going to be doing now here in our graphics center?
Being able to see the new technology, all of the innovations that we're doing at Komori, and being a part of this big project that we're doing here. So it's just very similar to what we do out in the field.
Is it?
Yep.
And you're going to really try to replicate good printing practices based on your experience from the field.
Absolutely. We're going to try to mimic a print environment, just like you will go out in the field and see a live job run inside a demo center.
I also think it's kind of exciting. I wanted to get your opinion. We're rebranding ourselves a bit, right? Yes. We're going to be now the Komori America Center of Excellence, right? So what's that kind of mean to you for joining this at this time?
So I think it's a bold statement, right? Komori's making a real bold statement by calling it the Center of Excellence, but it shows their commitment to what we're doing here. And there's a credible opportunity to just show the world what we're capable of doing at Komori.
Yeah, the industry's changing quite a bit, right?
Absolutely.
So we're going to get a chance to show it too. We got inkjet presses and offset presses in a Komori showroom.
Sure. So
right
now,
cool stuff.
The press is dressed up, and you can see this is the GLX Advanced 840 that's here. This press has everything on it. We're going to have VIN foil on it. We're going to have base pallet movement, so partial logistics, coating, PQA, nonstop deliveries on both ends of the delivery and feeder.
Really showing the automation Komori has the ability to build.
Yes.
Bert, this is new and exciting from Komori, right? We're known for our offset stuff, but a lot of people don't necessarily know for our inkjet. So yes. What's coming here? What's going on?
So this
here?
is Komori's new J-Throne 29. It's our new digital printing press.
Yep.
And we're really looking forward to showing this in the showroom, being able to display it.
It gives the impression that it's not just offset anymore.
No.
Right? And these two things now, I'm a believer things work together rather than just replacing that, right? Do you share
Absolutely,
the same
yes. I think it's going to complement it, right?
Yeah.
We're dealing with sheet fed, but there's always room for the digital market. It's just there, and people have to realize that it's there.
I believe there's some MBO gear coming in here.
Sure, the MBO is going to be going in there. That's a roll-to-sheet, full system that's coming through for MBO.
Yep.
Again, another product that we're looking forward to showcasing in the showroom.
One of the big parts of production printing is gathering data, right? So I think this is the section where KP Connect is going to go.
Yes, KP Connect is going to be installed here. We're going to have display screens up there, and you're going to be able to see everything integrated together. We'll be able to capture all the data that's coming off of the J-Throne, the GLX, and our MBO.
So, Bert, one of the things that's pretty exciting for me, especially as the marketing guy, we're no longer just putting a machine in a room and running it, right? We're going to show what Komori is all about in depth.
Yeah.
And it has a lot more depth than most people know. We've got offset, we've got inkjet, we've got finishing. We're also going to build displays that show our Komori Chambon division, the currency division, the printed electronics division, and all those technologies that go in with it. So I think when we're done with it, I think it's going to be a really interesting visit for our customers.
It's going to be incredible, to see everything live and functioning.
Yeah, great.